Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of optical illusions. Get ready to see things that might just blow your mind and to enhance your knowledge. But first of all, what is an optical illusion?
In visual perception, an optical illusion, also called a visual illusion, is an illusion caused by the visual system and characterized by a visual perception that arguably appears to differ from reality. Optical illusions are not solely a trick of the eye but also heavily involve the brain's interpretation of visual information. It's the way our eye sees things but our brain receives the signal differently from reality. Seeing is believing, right? Well, actually, what you see and what you think you see are different things.
Optical illusions have a rich history that reflects humanity's fascination with visual perception. From ancient art to modern psychology, they continue to inspire and challenge our understanding on how we see the world. However, experts mostly agree that the origins of an optical illusion can be traced back to the art and the architecture of ancient Greece and Rome. One of the earliest applications of optical illusions was found on Greek temple rooftops. But not only that, did you know that India was also one of the first countries that has historical optical illusions? We are talking about the Airavata temple located in Darasuram, Tamil Nadu, with its rich historical architectural brilliance and heritage. It has captured the attention of vision scientists and historians alike for its sculptures with optical illusions.
Different types of optical illusion. Yes, you've heard it right. Optical illusions has three types: literal, psychological, and cognitive. Let's dive into these three types. First, the literal illusion. A literal illusion is a type of optical illusion where the image perceived is different from the objects that make it up. Simply, the viewer sees something that is not actually there, or the arrangement of the elements creates a misleading interpretation, like these Rubin vase. Some of you must have seen the vase first, while others' attention went to the two men looking at each other. On the other example of old woman, young woman as well, some saw the young lady first or the old woman. Tell us who you saw first.
Second, the physiological illusion is a type of optical illusion caused by the way our eyes and our brain respond to a visual stimuli. These illusions occur due to excessive stimulations of the visual system, often involving color, brightness, size, and motion. Physiological illusions provide insight into the workings of our visual system and can demonstrate how our perception can be influenced by factors beyond the actual physical properties of objects. They emphasize the complex relationship between stimuli and sensory response, highlighting the brain's role in interpreting what we see. Many of you already know about this one, the red dot or the after image illusion, where you stare at a red dot of a black and white image and then look at a white surface. You seem to see that the image on the surface, that's because of the photoreceptors in your eyes become fatigued, or the movement illusion, where the image seems to move in a certain direction.
Lastly, the cognitive illusion is a type of optical illusion that arises from the brain's interpretation of visual information. Unlike physiological illusions, which are based on the physical response of the eyes, cognitive illusions involve higher level processing and reflect how our brains organize and make sense of what we see. These are important for understanding how the brain processes information and the role of context and expectations in perception. They reveal the complexities of human cognition and can provide insights into various fields including psychology, neuroscience, art, and design. It's a triangle. This illusion creates the perception of a triangle that doesn't exist, formed by the arrangement of three circles and angles, demonstrating how our brains perceive shapes even when they are not explicitly drawn. The Poggendorf illusion. This involves a diagonal line interrupted by a rectangle, where the brain misjudges the continuation of the line, leading to the perception that it's not aligned. So now, you know the different types of this illusion. Now, let's move on to the science behind these optical illusions.
Optical illusions occur because of the way our brain processes visual information. Light enters the eye and is focused onto the retina, which specialized cells convert it into the electrical signals. These signals are then sent to the brain's visual cortex, which interprets and constructs what we see. However, this process can sometimes be tricked by certain patterns or stimuli that confuse our brain's usual methods of interpreting depth, motion, size, or color.
Understanding these illusions can also enhance our awareness of how our perceptions can be influenced, leading to more critical thinking about what we see. Until next time, keep questioning what you see.